I'll guide you through adding a debit card to your Chime account, whether you're trying to link an external bank card to instantly move money or activate your brand new physical Chime debit card. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Because the Chime app separates adding outside funding sources from activating its own physical card infrastructure, the navigation paths and system rules differ completely depending on what you're trying to achieve. To connect an external bank card to Chime for instant deposits, open the Chime app directly on your smartphone. Tap the Move tab located on the bottom navigation bar. From the main options list, select Transfer Money. Tap the From drop-down field at the top of the interface layout. Tap Add a debit card and follow the secure screen prompts. Fill in your external card details, including the 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. Your external card will be securely linked to your profile, allowing you to instantly move funds from your old bank right into your Chime checking balance. If you want to activate your physical green Chime card once it arrives in the mail, log into your account on the Chime mobile app. Locate the prominent card status widget on your home screen that reads your card was delivered. Tap the green Activate button directly inside that widget. If the widget does not appear, tap your profile icon, select Cards, and tap Activate New Card. Enter the 3-digit CVV number found directly on the signature strip on the back of your physical card. Establish and confirm a brand new, secure 4-digit ATM PIN to finalize the process, and you're done. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.